Welcome to day 3 of our holiday in Corsica. We started off our day with some breakfast at a nearby cafe. Even though I look quite grumpy, I'm actually really enjoying myself and the breakfast.
We did some quick packing at the hotel and started driving towards the beach. Our first stop is around 15 minutes away from Saint-Florent. Here we are. This is a sandy beach with a few good snorkeling spots. We were really happy to be here.
Before heading to the next beach, we decided to have lunch at the restaurant located right next to the beach. The burgers were actually very good and same as for the company.
Our next stop is 4.5 kilometers away. The road leading up to the next location offers some nice views while driving, but I had to keep my eyes on the road to prevent us from driving off the cliff. This small road was quite narrow and there were less parking spaces available near the beach, but luckily we managed to squeeze in. An old watchtower from the 15th century is located here. At this location you can also visit a stone bridge which was reconstructed a few years ago because it had been severely damaged by the floods.
This beach had really smooth and beautiful rocks, which got a bit hot on a warm summer day like this. The underwater views were really nice, but as you can see, the water had some oily spots and we didn't know what was causing it.
After spending the whole day in the sun, we started our drive back to Saint-Florent.
We cleaned up and made ourselves more presentable before heading out for a drink while waiting for the restaurants to open.
Seuraava jälkiruoka. Thanks for watching. See ya!